Have you ever wished you could reprogram your reality while you sleep? Imagine waking up to a life where your dreams are no longer just dreams, but your reality. Sounds magical, right? Well, it's possible with SATS, State Akin to sleep. In this video, we'll uncover what SATS is, how you can use it effortlessly every day, and how it can help you manifest your deepest desires overnight. Stay with me until the end, where I'll share a powerful tip to supercharge your SATS practice. SATS, or State Akin to Sleep, is a powerful technique popularized by Neville Goddard. It's a meditative state where your mind is deeply relaxed but still aware, just like that dreamy moment before you drift into sleep. In this state, your subconscious is highly receptive to suggestions, making it the perfect time to implant your desires as if they are already real. You don't have to wait until bedtime to practice SATS. You can enter this state anytime, while meditating, daydreaming, or even during a short relaxation break. Whenever you find a quiet moment, take deep breaths and immerse yourself in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Let's hear what Chandra has to say on SATS. She is a dancer from India and a pro manifester.
SATS, or State Akin to Sleep, is a powerful manifestation tool. In this relaxed state, your subconscious absorbs your desires as reality. Visualize your wish fulfilled before sleep. Feel it, believe it. This programs your mind to attract it effortlessly. Practice daily and track progress in a diary. Your thoughts shape your reality. Embrace the power within and manifest your dream overnight.
Thanks, Chandra. See you soon. Have a great time. Now, let's talk about how you can make SATS a daily habit. Here's a simple method. 1. Relax. Lie down or sit comfortably. 2. Visualize. Imagine your desire as if it's happening now. 3. Feel it. Engage all your senses. Hear it, see it, feel it. 4. Repeat. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes daily before sleep. This process reprograms your subconscious mind and speeds up manifestation. Music helps to achieve this state easily. Try out some SATS resonating music to expedite the process. We have added the links in the description. Let's say you want financial abundance. Instead of worrying about money, use SATS to imagine checking your bank account and seeing a large balance. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and relief as if it's already real. The more real it feels, the faster it manifests. One of the best ways to track your SATS journey is by keeping a SATS diary. Write down your visualizations, how they made you feel, and any real-life signs you notice. This helps reinforce your belief and keeps you motivated. SATS is your gateway to transforming your life, one thought at a time. Practice it daily, believe in the process, and watch as your desires unfold effortlessly. In our next video, we will reveal how to use SATS to manifest love, success, and even better health. So don't miss it. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Let's manifest greatness together.